So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is search in a 2D matrix, in which we are given a 2D matrix which is sorted in non-decreasing order. And we are also given a target element and we need to find whether the target element is there in the matrix or not. Also, it is written that you must write your solution if O in O of log n m cross n time complexity. So that is a clear indication of binary search usage. So let's see how we can model this problem into a binary search problem. So yeah, just a second. So in this example, let us take this example. So first, let us write these numbers in the order of 1D array in sorted order 1, 3, 5, 7 till 11, 16 up till 60. Okay, so we know how to apply binary search on this 1D array and somehow we need to map. So only thing we need to do is essentially we need to map these indexes to these 2D array indexes. For example, index of 11 in this 1D array is 5, but the index of 11 in 2D array given is 1 comma 1. So how we can do that? We can simply use this formula I by m, okay, where I is the index of the 1D array and m is the number of columns. So I by m will give the row number of that particular element and I percentage m will give the row number, column number of that particular index. So we can very easily use this formula and can map this array into this array. Now, what is the intuition behind these formulas? Okay, so we can see that we have in this case 4 number of columns. So we have 4 columns and 3 rows. So after every row, 4 columns have been completed. So hence we can say that I by m will give us the number of rows which are completed or the current row. And I percentage m will essentially give us the distance from the left hand side, which is essentially the column number. So yeah guys, this was the intuition behind it. So let's see the code quickly. Now code is very simple. We have a start 0, we have ending index at row into column minus 1, and we are simply applying the binary search. Now the middle element we are using is actually middle by column, matrix of middle by call, and matrix middle percentage call. So this is our element which we find it out from the formula, and rest is simple binary search. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.